some locations. The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Greene County and east central Georgia, northern Morgan County and north central Georgia, southeastern Walton County and north central Georgia, southeastern Clark County and northeast Georgia, Oconee County and northeast Georgia, Oglethorpe County and northeast Georgia, until 12:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 11:39 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm. This storm was located near Social Circle, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Good Hope, Bostwick, North High Shoals, Bishop, Watkinsville, Maxey's, Arnoldsville, Crawford, and Lexington. Doppler radar has indicated rotation within the storm. Although current data does not indicate the existence of a tornado may still develop. If a tornado is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety inside a sturdy structure, such as a basement or small interior room. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-763-4466. You can also tweet your report using hashtag GAWX. A tornado watch remains in effect until 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Saturday afternoon for northern Georgia.